Shalom. What it is, people, it's your boy Lando, and I am the Mando. Check it out. I'm back stateside, guys. I'm back stateside. Moment of silence. Yeah. I'm back stateside. Do I want to be back stateside? That's a good question. That'd be the question of the day. I'm back stateside, and I definitely enjoyed Jamaica. Jamaica was a blast. I definitely, I don't know if this goes this goes into the top 10 of the most fun I had in Jamaica. Not top 10, top 2 of the most fun I had in my Jamaica. It definitely did. Cause it might be top 3. Cause before I was saved, I'm a saved man, guys. I used to go to Jamaica and do some things. We had some fun, but this fun was real fun. I enjoyed myself. Jamaica is a beautiful place. Y'all should go visit if you've never been, you know? But starting even just from the first day. The first day, it started off a little weird, but it worked out. It worked out between my cousin scamming me, telling me come to the grill, pick him up, and then he didn't come. Yep. Chef Keegan, we talking about you. Tell the people then what really happened in the comments. Yeah, we beefing right now. First day we had a blown tire. And I was like, dang, this threw our plan off. It threw our plan off just a little bit, but not by much. We worked out anyways. So, you know, send me that TV. May I take out my shoes at the airport, you know? No, they stopped doing that. Yeah, but there's a new country life, people. Cleaning up the grave, you know? It's Brazil. Big yard. All right. One big yard. Turn on the turf Sunday, we couldn't find an tire shop because the tire shop was closed. Jamaica's a little different, at least where we at. So we couldn't find a tire. We were actually supposed to leave that Sunday. Go to Cup. We missed a few spots, but it's all good. But Monday, we ended up going to Border, the seafood spot, you know. Ate some good fish with the family and friends. We definitely enjoyed that. Then after that, we went to Liquor Orchard. Liquor Orchard, big up yourself. Big up yourself, man. Liquor Orchard we enjoyed ourselves in Liquor Orchard too. I met a gentleman there. He said he wanted to go TikTok. He wanted to be on TikTok, but I couldn't put him on TikTok because the music in the background. They play a lot of music there. Music in the background, so he didn't make TikTok. I think I might have put him as a short. Well, I probably did. I'm gonna put him somewhere around here. Give him enough time so I don't get. I'm just talking about this song.
Yeah. My name is Robbie. I want to go to TikTok.
You gonna be on TikTok? You wanna be on TikTok? All right, no, you're there on TikTok.
Yes, now put on the cap.
Put on the cap, my wife.
But shout out to you. I think his name was Robbie. Robbie, big up yourself. Big up yourself, Robbie. You know where you go already. So this trip was definitely fun. I do want to do another trip where I go from end to end. Yeah, the whole island. Chef Keegan, let me know if you're up to it. Let me know if you're up to it. Me and the chef are power right now. He's a vlogger also. Go check out Keegan's Kitchen channel. Me and my power right now. We had a blast. He had his wife there. He had his kids there. I had my little brother there and my cousin. So yeah, we had a blast, man. Then after that, the outside cooking. We wanted to do some stuff that how we grew up. Right, cooking outside, that was like excitement as a kid. I remember that as a kid in Jamaica, like cooking outside. They go out bush with your grandfather, and your grandfather was a farmer. He cooking. So we say, all right, let's run one back. Chef Keegan was there, of course. Chef Keegan whipped that up. So shout out to Chef Keegan, man, for doing that. We definitely had fun. We had some fun. We actually had planned to go to the river, because we had a river bottom side of our house. But I don't know what happened, but we had so much going on that we didn't even get to do that. But I did wake up one morning and just say, you know what, let's go bottom side of the house. Let's go pick some coconut. You know, just our backyard, just the luxury of living in the countryside of Jamaica, man. It's beautiful.
Opinion, yeah? All right, cool. Let me ask you a question. Can you explain to the people how this works?
Oh, snapper.
You're on the
So
camera.
choose big or small.
Okay.
Yes.
Which one is small one?
I'm going to do jerk. I'm going to do steam. I'm going to do brown stew. I'm going to do escabeche.
Okay.
I'm going to do curry steam.
Curry steam, huh? Alright, what the price for the small one?
I found a fish up with 3,000.
Jamaica is one of those places where you don't have to, even if you broke, you can survive. America is a little bit different. But a country at least. When I say country, I don't know about the rest of the part, but a country where we come from, even if you broke, you can survive. So I definitely enjoyed that. Then, you know, of course we hooked up grandmother, Big Jones, One Jones, big up yourself, her grave. And our main reason for coming to Jamaica was for the memorials, but we came a little bit earlier than everybody else so we could explore, which is those videos that you guys saw. And if you didn't see the videos, go watch them.
You were saying dead and not even know saying dead. Dead, man. All dead people dead. Oi. Oh, I know what I'm at now. See it there? No one go go. No one go really. No one go really. I'm not ready. Yeah. Yeah, probably have to do that tomorrow. You know, like the boss.
Man, no, that magic crap is to be. You know they're gonna hide me from
Trust me, they good. I watch my own videos. I was like, dang, that's what's up. Like, I'm starting to take YouTube more so as a documentary to create memory. You know, like people used to have albums. My YouTube channel is me creating memory. Those are my albums. So for when time go by later on, and I can go back and watch, like, dang, I remember that. And for viewers like you guys that miss those things and miss Jamaica, you could tap into my life a little bit, see a little bit. So we definitely had a blast. The whole point was for Grandmother Memorial. So Granny joins Big Up Yourself in Noego. Rest in peace. We miss you, but we know you was on overtime. The Most High said, hey, I'm gonna guarantee you 70 years, right? Granny lived to 94, so Granny ended up on overtime. You get extra credit. So big up yourself. But it was no sad moments, man. We enjoyed it. It was a time I almost dropped a tear. But it was all fun. Enjoyed the family, even down to the day that we went to the beach. Enjoy ourselves at the beach, you know, just family. That's what it was about. This trip was about family. So I had a blast, man. I had a blast. Down to the last day. Last day I wasn't gonna go anywhere. I was like, all right, I'm just gonna chill. But we ended up going into town. Then I got up with one of my homeboy. He was celebrating his birthday. So I went out there to show. I wasn't gonna go. I was like, dang, I gotta go, man. Let me go show. Come on, cousin, like, hey, man, he showed up at everything. I said, dang, you're right. So I went to show love to him. Blocks, big up yourself. You know it go already. And we just chill and vibe out.
Shalom, shalom. What it is, people? It's the last night, really. It's what, like 8 o'clock. I wasn't gonna go anywhere. I did go somewhere today. I just didn't record. I really wasn't gonna go anywhere like that, but I got a friend of mine having a little birthday. I don't even know if it's not even a party. He just chilling in the neighborhood, cooking some food, just hanging out. So I'm gonna go up there, right down the street, like 2 minutes. Go there, eat some food, and vibe out. Last night, got the one to read me with me. I fly out tomorrow. So yeah, let's go.
All right.
One up.
Yeah. Just kick it out.
Why name my channel again?
G.
DK Jamaican Lifestyle.
Take you on vacation, I give you strength, I give you laughter, I give you joy. You can use my card, we can go on tour, we'll take you to Carmel, take you through the car that you like.
Good eating. We might give that one in.
Look, I'm going right through all day. Today is my birthday. Right through. Night through. Don't fuck up.
But I just
Shalom, guys. We headed, this is the day when I'm headed to the airport, right? But y'all getting it so authentic right now. I'm about to go get this car washed, to run the car wash. I actually rented this car from good peoples I know, you know, so I can't get the car dirty. I ain't gonna lie, 'cause we in the country. So I'm about to go get it washed. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. It's actually 6:30 now, but we about to get it washed. I gotta leave down here by 9 o'clock to get to Montego Bay. I'll reach there 9:30, 9:40-ish, right? So yeah, y'all get this is a very authentic vlog. We in the country. Let me get you. I don't think I give y'all a view where we at. We in a, I guess you would say rural areas, but you know, this is normal to me. All right, people, I am home, right? We're gonna talk about the trip. We're gonna talk about you probably when I settle in. I might not even use this video when I settle in, because I know y'all want to see what's going on. Y'all want to hear what I had to say about my trip, but my trip was definitely amazing. Amazing. We're gonna talk about it though. We're gonna talk about it, but I'm gonna sit down and talk about it in probably the next video after this. But I'm headed out. I'm about to go eat some tacos with my daughter. I've been missing them, and actually, so she's going to get tacos. I actually just ate dinner. My wife had food for me already, but you know, I've been missing, so I can't say no. I think she's bringing me out to eat. I don't know. I might be bringing her out to eat. I don't know how it go. But we're going to sit down and talk about it. We're going to chop it up. All right? Hold on.
You know, chill and vibe out, man. I enjoy Jamaica. This trip was a blast. I definitely enjoyed Jamaica, man. If you ain't never been to Jamaica, go. And if you're from Jamaica and you live in America, you're not going in a while, forward, because Jamaica will wait upon you. Jamaica is a beautiful place. I'm telling you, this trip was different. It's something about this trip, man. That's all I can say. So it's something about this trip. But either way, guys, I appreciate you guys for watching. But remember, make sure you drop a comment down there. Let me know what was some of your childhood memories that living in Jamaica. Like, we should have went hunting birds, but it's all good. But drop down in the comments, talk to me, man. Go watch the videos. They there. It's your boy Lando. Remember that. I am the man, dude. Whoa!